Anger has spilled onto the streets of Tamil Nadu over Sri Lankan court handing capital punishment to 5 Tamil fishermen. MDMK chief Vaiko spearheaded protests against the Modi government. Vaiko even went on to allege that the Modi government is responsible for the death of these 5 fishermen as Sri Lanka is emboldened by New Delhi's approach.
Sir, what is your entire protest today about, especially about the 5 fishermen that have been caught in Sri Lanka? What do you have to say about that?
I accuse the NDA government headed by Honorable Narendra Modi. NDA government gave red carpet welcome to the killer of Tamils, Rajapaksa. This attitude has emboldened him to enable the High Court, Colombo, to give capital punishment, death penalty for these 5 innocent Tamil fishermen. The judiciary is under the thumbs of Rajapaksa. That has been already clearly stated by the Human Rights Council last year itself. Therefore, I accuse this government. Even after this, they are sending our Indian army personnel for training there. And they are playing with the lives of the Tamils. I strongly condemn the Modi government. I condemn the government of Sri Lanka, which committed the genocide of Tamils. So the entire Tamil Nadu is the minds and hearts of Tamil people are burning.
Sir, and also they recently given way for a Chinese submarine to come and dock over there. What do you have to say about that?
I have already clearly stated that the Sri Lankan government will never be friendly sincerely with India. They will always go with China and Pakistan. So to protect the geopolitical interests and don't allow him to meddle with our people.
So do you think we have to snap ties? Do you think you will urge the government to snap ties with...
I want, but this government will not do that. At least they will not show these green signals to them. They will not extend any welcome to them. This attitude, first of all, should be stopped.
There is a lot of anger over here among the MDMK supporters as Vaiko, their chief, also condemning the Sri Lanka's death sentence and also holding the Modi government responsible and warning them to urging them to warn the Sri Lankan government and have asked for the release of the 5 fishermen.